Hi everybody, it's Nunu, and my purpose in this video is to show you how to make a Flipgrid for a talking to the text assignment. So let's get started in that process. I would, of course, read all of the directions first, make sure that I understand them, and then scroll down to the end of the screen. I see this add response here. The blue box. I'm going to click on it and the Flipgrid comes up. Keep in mind that you do not have to show your face for the video, so I can click on options here, mic only if I want. Okay, so let's say that I don't want to show my face, but I don't want a blank screen. I can click on backdrop to have some effects if I want. So I'm going to click on this backdrop here, and it comes up, I am extraordinary. I like that. Let's say I want to put some more here. I can click on a GIF, and I think I'm going to click on yes, I am extraordinary. And I can click on further effects. I can write text in here, or I could write something with a pen. And if I'm going to use a pen, here's the thickness of the pen and the color. So the thickness, I'll make it about middle thickness. And I think I'll do bright green, and I'll write yes. And that's kind of fun. You can freeform here. So I'm ready to begin to record my video. So I will click here. 3, 2, 1. I will go ahead and make my video, and when I'm done I will click on here, this red circle, and then on next I will go ahead and this plays for me. And I click again, and I'm going to click post to topic, and my video will be uploaded, and it's getting there pretty fast. So there is my video. It's been posted. And it's as simple as that, or as complex and complicated, whatever you want to put here. If you have any questions or concerns, come over here to inbox and I will be happy to answer them.